the shutdown solution for an overall saving of the computing center in an emergency. A horror scenario for any company, a server blackout. There may be many reasons: extreme rise of temperature, water intrusion, fire, or sudden cutoff from the electricity is fatal for sensible IT systems. There might impend data loss, a high pause of functionality, and therefore a huge amount of financial penalties. But this can and should be avoided. FLOWSTER solution offers FLOWSTER DCS, a preventive software to counter damage. In the worst case, the software shuts down the systems and components in a sorted and rule-based way. By that, a proper shutdown in critical situations is secured, even if the USV has a blackout, high temperature, smoke development, humid air, or also for maintenance purpose. Due to fast actions in emergencies, server blackouts are prevented, the data security is raised, and reaction as well as blackout times are shortened. An example: the worst case scenario for all administrators, a fire in the data center. FLOWSTER DCS receives the alert from the monitoring tool and starts working. The error is systematically recorded, a log fire entry is created, and the administrator is notified. The system is shut down in an automatically and controlled way. Due to FLOWSTER, high availability and breakdown safety is granted. As existing standard interfaces are used, the entire building management system and the server management can be integrated. The control of the target systems takes place agentless and independent of existing operating systems. FLOWSTER DCS allows a secure and orderly shutdown through dedicated communication with all components. This includes virtual as well as native machines and hypervisors. Your advantages. It is clear to see which machines will be shut down in which order due to easy prioritization of groups via drag and drop. Full logging and wide reporting ensure the objectively and comprehensible shutdowns. The workflow technology guarantees an optimal integration in given security concepts. You can integrate systems of any size, no matter if you run an accessible system or a big data center. It doesn't matter how heterogeneous your system is, everything can be controlled through given modules or own scripts. A high flexibility and customizability is given due to the logic and modular structure. The order or priority of the shutdown of the machines can be configured individually with FLOWSTER DCS. According to the defined shutdown routine, the data is saved, applications are terminated, and operating systems are shut down. FLOWSTER DCS offers an easy integration and a wide event management. FLOWSTER DCS can be connected to all important systems by SNMP and supervises the data of surround sensors in data centers. The summoned sensors and managed endpoints can be deposited in the FLOWSTER portal. Same applies to rules for alarming, which become active by a deviation from set thresholds. As soon as a sensor reports an exceed or an under range of the set threshold, FLOWSTER automatically starts the shutdown of the systems, server, storage, and more in the individual priority. Therefore, access control systems, several server rooms, or redundant USV systems can be monitored. The integrated mail function allows a short reaction time in case of a disorder. The software automatically sends warning messages per email over an authenticated connection to administrators or users if an alarm is reported. FLOWSTER DCS offers administrators and users a large-scale event management due to the integrated reporting, logging, and reliably saves the system from damage, data loss, as well as new installation or backup scenarios. FLOWSTER DCS consists of three components: a web console to configure the shutdown logic, an own parameterizing workflow, and an engine to execute the shutdowns. FLOWSTER DCS is configured in an easy way. The tool offers full flexibility due to the possibility to integrate real and virtual gadgets. The software is able to be executed in high availability mode and therefore offers a breakdown-safe operation of the data center. Our advice: do not hesitate and secure your data center so you can lay back. We are glad to hear from you.